Hi friends, today I am going to share with you my new best friend. Isn't she beautiful? I am so smitten with her. She is so fantastic. I'm going to share some example photos in this video today and some behind the scenes footage. So keep watching and let's go.
You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble.
If you're already a subscriber, then you probably have seen this video right here where I talk about shooting with one light, and that one light happened to be a Lowell ID video light, which I still have, but I no longer use since getting this new light, which I am totally smitten with, like I said. So today I wanted to share with you how I'm using it and what kind of photos I'm getting. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit of the behind the scenes, but I also want to share with you some details about this light. So one of the things that I really love is that it's a LED light. It doesn't get hot and the fan is very low noise, which is also great. I know a lot of the reviews that I've read or watched were filmmakers that talked about using it for videography or making films, or even videographers that use it for wedding work and those types of things. So having a low fan noise was helpful for them, which of course I'm a still photographer, so that's what I'm using it for. And interestingly, a couple of the videos that I watched, like video reviews, a couple of the videographers mentioned about how they didn't feel like this light would be good for still photography, and I was really surprised because I actually already had the light when I watched the reviews, because I was just curious if there was anything about the light that I was missing that I didn't know about, because I didn't read the whole manual and I was just curious to see what other people were saying. So anyway, I was really surprised when people said they didn't think it was good for stills, and I absolutely disagree with that. I think that it's amazing for stills and I love this light. It took me a long time to find a light to replace my Lowell ID light, which actually they don't even make anymore, but I've used that light for a long time and I absolutely loved it. And I bought several other lights to try to replace that one, because the bad thing about the Lowell light is that it gets super hot. It's one of those old style video lights. It's not an LED, and it just gets flaming hot. And every now and then, not often, but like maybe once a year, the bulb would actually just blow and scare the crap out of me and my client. So that kind of sucked about it. But I loved it so much that I was willing to put up with those two little things, the downside about it, because everything else about it was fantastic. However, now I found this light, which has given me everything that I want in a light. It stays nice and cool. It's not loud, it's easy to use, the temperature settings, everything, it's just super easy. This light also can be battery powered. Mine I bought as a kit, and it did come with 2 batteries, and it also has a little plate for the batteries to go in. Mine also came with a bag, which I think they all come with a bag. I'm not positive. You'd have to look at the different buying options, but it is a plug-in light as well. So I usually just plug mine in, but if I ever would take it on location, I would use the batteries for it. So it does come with 2 batteries, and it has a little switch to tell you how much battery power you have. You cannot take one battery out to charge it while you're using the other battery. It just doesn't work that way. Both batteries have to be plugged in for it to work. Another thing is it's not waterproof, so you would not be able to use it outside on a rainy day. So just be careful with that. If you're looking for a waterproof light, look at Stella. So they have a fantastic waterproof LED. It's not the same as this one, but it is still pretty powerful, and you can actually use it underwater, I think up to 30 feet. So great for outdoors. Let me show you a little bit of the behind the scenes stuff that you can see, like what I got in some of the photos. if you were already shooting with the LED light or some kind of video light, I would love to know what you're using. Drop it down below in the comments. And also, if you have any other comments or any questions, I would love to hear them. So drop them down below. I really want this channel to be more of a community. So I want us to have conversations down below and just talk about all the things photography related and boudoir related. So feel free to ask any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you. But oh, and another thing is, if you are not already a subscriber, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, because it's great to have more in our little community here. Another thing is, if you felt that this video was helpful at all to you today, I hope that you will hit the like button, because that helps me with Little Miss Algorithm. She's very finicky, so when someone hits the like button, it helps other people see the video, and it just helps me grow this channel. So I really appreciate that. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you coming back over and over to see my videos. And I would also love to hear, what do you want to see in the future? I'm always looking for new things to talk about, or what I can share personally with you as far as my journey as being a boudoir photographer. So anyway, that's it. Thanks guys for tuning in, and I will see. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I did have one more thing. I do post a new video every Monday, so I hope that you'll come back and see me next Monday. Okay, thanks. Bye guys. That was lame. Super lame. Can't keep a straight face. Today I want to tell you about my new best friend.